Hey guys, it's Kem. My real name's Kem. In case you were curious, thank you for joining me for another video. And if you're new, then welcome. So today we are going to be using my Naturally Azelia hair products for my wash day. This is going to be a very luxurious wash day. So the first thing I did was rinse out my prepoo, which was the Hydrating Conditioner with avocado and kiwi extract. So this product that I'm using right now is the Scalp Repair Exfoliating Scrub. And at first I didn't know how to use it, so I definitely had to read the container in the shower. And it said to section my hair, so I started to, split my hair up. And as you can see, it smells amazing. It literally smells like brown sugar, which is the first ingredient in it. So we love that. Some other ingredients include olive, sweet almond oil, citrus lemon oil, and peppermint oil. And then there's other oils too. So it's pretty much just brown sugar and oils. And I didn't know what I was expecting from this product, but when I tell you guys, my scalp felt amazing. Like, I've mentioned in countless videos that my scalp is always itchy. So this scalp exfoliator really came in and helped your girl out. I thought also that the pieces would get stuck in my hair, but I had no problems when I rinsed it out, so I appreciate that a lot. The next product I used was the Mint Moisturizing Shampoo with Seaberry and kiwi extract. Look at how creamy this shampoo is, y'all. So when I felt it in my hands, I thought it wasn't going to lather or clean my hair at all because it literally felt like a really good conditioner. But as you can see, I started to get a little lather. What I did realize is that since it was so creamy, I couldn't really get lather all over my head. Like, it didn't really spread too well. So I did end up using a good amount of product, but my hair was not complaining. It absolutely loved this stuff. My scalp already felt amazing from the scalp scrub. Like, it felt like wide open. Like, it just felt like peppermint had just gotten into my scalp. So next is the deep conditioner, and it's called the Deep Repair Deep Conditioner, and it's a protein moisture balance. When I tell you guys, my hair loves this product. Like, it already loved protein moisture balance deep conditioners, but this one was amazing. My hair loved it. Like, when I first started applying it, I was like, okay, it doesn't have too much slip, but like, I had to remind myself that deep conditioners don't have to have slip. Like, slip was in the shampoo, literally. So if I really need to detangle, I can detangle with the shampoo first. So after I applied the deep conditioner all over my head, I added the hair growth serum, which I already told y'all about. Y'all know I love this stuff. Like, this was literally like just a fantastic wash day, and my scalp absolutely loved it. So I felt like being extra and adding some of the oil on top into my scalp, just because why not, I've tried oil on top of deep conditioners before and I absolutely loved it, so I tried it again. Then I put my hair up in a plastic cap and finished my shower and came back about 20 minutes later to rinse my hair out. So this is after I took the plastic cap off after waiting about 20 minutes. And do you guys see how my curls are trying to define with this deep conditioner in it? Like, do you see it? Do you see it? And my hair felt like, it literally felt balanced. Like, it wasn't like, oh, this was a super moisturizing deep conditioner or this was like a super strengthening deep conditioner. Like, it was a perfect balance of both, and I love that. After I rinsed my hair out, though, it did feel a whole lot softer and my curls were still defined, so I could tell that it still had a good amount of protein in the product, and I truly appreciated it. My hair literally, right after I washed my hair, I had to get on Instagram and tell you guys about how much I love this product. Like, I can't wait to use it again. This is not the last time y'all are seeing this, and like, just look at my hair. It literally felt heavy. Like, my hair felt fuller and thicker. I don't know how, but it felt juicy, and like, I didn't even have product in it. But that's all I have for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.